it's a 7, it's like what I have.
Exactly. All right, everyone. So we gotta do the whole YouTube thing now. So we got 1-Bit Rider here. So you gotta check him out because he's the one we built a Gixxer 750 for now. And because of that, we've got a new project. So I don't know if you guys know what this bike is. I won't spoil it just yet, but it's a 2020 CBR 1000 double R. Is it double R or single R? Oh, it's 2015.
2012, 2015.
No, 2012. Because that's what he said earlier, at least.
2012.
2012.
Double R.
Double R. CBR 1000 Fireblade. So it's got very little maintenance done to it. So we're gonna go through, just do basic maintenance, nothing too crazy there. Valve job, and then it's been stumbling at the higher RPMs. So that's something we're gonna look into, see if we can't fix. We got a few ideas for it. We'll see what actually happens, what works, what doesn't. But here's a quick overview. So check this out. I don't think the fairings are off all because of damage. I think it's mostly just because they were messing with it. I think a few things broke, but got that, got the tank, got everything we need to run it, so we should be good to go.